Let's take a look at what's happening at the farmers' protest site on the Delhi borders. At the Singhu border in northwest Delhi, police have reinstated concrete barriers which were breached on the 26th of January. Police deployment has been stepped up after the 26th of January. In fact, now news agencies are releasing fresh pictures of cranes that have now moved in, where the paramilitary also seems to have moved in, trying to clear at least a portion. You can see in these pictures that all the barricades that were removed are now being reinstated. In fact, cranes are being used by the central paramilitary forces, apart from the Delhi police, who are now present there in huge numbers. So these are pictures coming in. Thousands of protesters who came for the tractor rally have now left.
Delhi police personnel are trying to block the entry and exit route near the Singhu border protest main stage, where the Nihangs here along with few farmers are trying to resist that. In fact, the Delhi police personnel through a JCB trying to block the entry and exit route through cement blocks here. That's why what we are seeing here is some of the Nihangs, they have got on top of those cement blocks trying to resist that. In fact, few Nihangs are trying to argue with the police personnel not to block the entry of this area. In fact, here on the other hand side, we are seeing some of the elders here who are trying to convince these people, who are trying to calm down the situation here. In fact, they are asking those people to come back here. In fact, he is saying that if they want to block it, let them block it. He is asking those people to come back here. Situation seems to be a bit tense here. In fact, the Delhi police trying to increase the security here, trying to block the road here. That's why we are seeing a bit of a tense situation here. Some of the elders have gone there to persuade these people to come back. So things bit tense here. In fact, the Delhi police personnel have also brought in the paramilitary forces to maintain law and order situation here. So senior police officials are also here, but things seems to be getting tense here. But the police personnel are having a dialogue with the elders there, saying that it is being done for the security arrangement here. But even when the senior elders here are asking the Nihangs, asking those young people to come back, things still remain to be tense. So the police personnel are also having a dialogue, also having a talk with the senior elders there. With camera person Sasikanja, this is Arvind Gunasekar from Singhu border for NDTV.